YouTube, with over 2.7 billion monthly active users as of 2025, is a goldmine for savvy marketers. Running YouTube ads can transform your side hustle into a lucrative income stream, potentially earning you $10,000 a month without leaving your couch. Here's a step-by-step guide to mastering YouTube ads and achieving financial success. Understand YouTube advertising. YouTube ads operate through Google Ads, offering formats like skippable in-stream ads, non-skippable ads, and bumper ads. Skippable in-stream ads, which viewers can skip after 5 seconds, are the most popular for driving conversions. Your goal is to create compelling ads that hook viewers instantly and drive them to your offer, whether it's an e-commerce product, course, or affiliate link. Start by researching your niche. Identify high-demand products or services with strong profit margins, like fitness gear, online courses, or software tools. Use tools like Google Trends or vidIQ to find trending keywords and topics. For example, if you're promoting fitness equipment, target keywords like home workout gear or best dumbbells 2025. Set up your Google Ads account. Create a Google Ads account and link it to your YouTube channel. Set a realistic budget. Start with $10, $20 daily to test campaigns. Choose video as your campaign type and select in-stream or discovery ads for maximum reach. Define your target audience using demographics, age, gender, interests, e.g. fitness enthusiasts, and behaviors, e.g. frequent online shoppers. YouTube's detailed targeting options let you zero in on your ideal customer. Craft irresistible ads. Your ad must grab attention within the first 3 seconds. Start with a bold question or shocking statistic like, "Tired of wasting hours at the gym." Use high-quality visuals. Shoot in 1080p or 4K with clear audio. Keep your ad concise, ideally 15-30 seconds, and include a strong call to action, CTA, like click now to get 20% off. If you're not comfortable on camera, use tools like Canva or InVideo to create animated ads with professional templates. Test multiple ad variations. For instance, try one ad with a humorous tone and another with an emotional appeal. Track metrics like view rate and click-through rate, CTR, to identify winners. A good CTR for YouTube ads is around 0.5 to 1%, but top-performing ads can hit 2% or higher. Optimize your landing page. Your ad's job is to drive traffic to a landing page that converts. Use platforms like ClickFunnels or lead pages to build a high-converting page. Ensure it's mobile optimized, as 70% of YouTube views come from mobile devices. Include a clear headline, benefits-driven copy, and a prominent CTA. For example, if selling a course, highlight "Learn to code in 30 days" with testimonials and a buy now button. Offer a lead magnet like a free ebook or discount code to capture emails. Build an email funnel using tools like MailChimp to nurture leads and drive sales. A well-optimized landing page can achieve conversion rates of 5 to 10%, significantly boosting your revenue. Scale with data. Once your ad is profitable, scale by increasing your budget and targeting broader audiences. Use YouTube Analytics and Google Ads reports to monitor cost per click, CPC, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Aim for a ROAS of 3.1 or higher. Spend $1 to earn $3. If your CPC is $0.50 and each conversion earns $50, you need a 1% conversion rate to break even. Tweak underperforming ads by adjusting headlines, visuals, or targeting. Retarget viewers who watched your ad but didn't convert. Create a remarketing audience in Google Ads for users who viewed 50% or more of your ad. These warm leads are more likely to convert, often at a lower CPC. Monetize through multiple streams. To hit $10,000 monthly, diversify your income. Promote affiliate products with commissions of $50 to $200 per sale, like ClickBank or Amazon Associates offers. If selling your own product, upsell related items, e.g. a fitness course paired with workout gear. Calculate your goal. At a $100 profit per sale, you need 100 sales monthly. With a 5% conversion rate, that's 2,000 clicks at a $0.50 CPC, costing $1,000 in ad spend for a $9,000 profit. Stay compliant and persistent. Follow YouTube's ad policies to avoid bans. Disclose affiliate links and avoid misleading claims. Be patient. Profitability takes weeks of testing. Most successful advertisers spend 30-60 days refining campaigns before scaling. Stay updated on trends via YouTube's Creator Insider channel or industry blogs. By mastering YouTube ads, you can build a scalable income stream from your couch. With strategic targeting, compelling creatives, and relentless optimization, $10,000 a month is within reach. Click on the link in the description to order a copy now.